Oh my gosh, wait lang. Feeling ko medyo masasayang siya pag ginanon siya. Pero, magagawan mo siya ng paraan. At least, Myra here and welcome back to another video. For today, meron tayong iti-test out na product and it's an eyeliner. You've been watching my makeup tutorials. Makikita nyo doon na hindi ko usually pinapakita yung part where I put on my eyeliner. Ang usual na ginagamit ko is an eyeliner with a felt tip applicator. Usually yun yung go-to ko. But still, kailangan ko ng matinding konsentrasyon kapag naglalagay ako ng eyeliner. So, usually, I skip that part out kasi sobrang tagal ko maglagay ng eyeliner. And most of the times, naglalagay lang ako ng eyeliner if I'm sure that I have enough time to apply my liner para mapantay ko siya at maayos ko siya. And so, nung nakita ko tong EB Advanced Eye Define, naisip ko siyang itry. Kasi kung mapapadali niya yung buhay ko ng paglalagay ng eyeliner, then, why not, diba? This is what the packaging looks like. Nakalagay lang yung product inside. And then, this costs 165 pesos. Nakuha ko lang siya actually sa supermarket. And I have here the shade Smoke. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Let's see kung ilang grams to. It's 0.3 grams ang isang laman. So, yung isang end, meron siyang parang pencil. This is how it looks like. Ayan. And then, on the other end, meron siyang parang smudger. Ayan. So, ito, yung shade na Smoke. Ito siya. And as you can see, ang bilis niyang kumulay. Mabilis siyang i-glide. Walang drag. Although it's not that deep of a black, pero it's dark enough para maging eyeliner. I'm gonna attempt to put on eyeliner dito sa look na ginawa ko. Just to amp up this look. And, kasi usually hindi ko to ginagawa. So, kung magagawa ko to in front of a camera without cutting or editing this part, then I think this is a good find. A winner. Let's see. So, here we go. So, what I'm gonna do is, let's start from the inner side. Dito sa part na to, medyo may drag ng konti. Kasi manipis yung balat dyan sa loob ng, yung inner corner. I'm just going to pull my skin a bit para mas madaling mag-drag ng product. Pantay ba? Parang hindi masyado. And then, gamitin natin yung smudger para hindi naman siya ikakalat, pero para mas lumapit pa siya dun sa lash line. Parang nag-set na siya. Darken ko lang ng konti. And then, extend ko lang ng konti. There you go. So, itong side na to, yung walang eyeliner, and then, eto yung meron. What do you think? Habang maayos yung eyeliner na ginawa ko. Hindi siya ganun ka-perfect, pero pwede na. Okay, let's try the other one. So, medyo struggle lang talaga dito sa loob, the part. And then, ayun. Extend ko lang ng konti. Okay. There you go. See? Ang bilis lang niya. In fairness sa kanya, madali ko siyang magagamit. Yun nga lang, I think medyo kailangan ng sanayan dito kasi hindi pa ako sanay gumamit ng ganitong klaseng eyeliner. Pero I think I can make it work. And if you're someone na medyo hirap sa pag-eyeliner using a brush tip or a felt tip, kung medyo manginig yung kamay mo, I think mas magugustuhan mo tong gamitin for applying eyeliner. Kasi madali lang siyang i-glide. It doesn't give you that drag, hindi naman niya hihilain yung talukap ng mata mo. It glides easily on the eyelids, and madali lang siya actually. Gagamayin mo lang siya sa simula, pero madali siyang matutunan. Success! Now, when it comes to staying power, although madali siyang i-apply, hindi siya mabilis mabura. As you can see, ito yung in-apply ko kanina. And it's smudge-proof. Ayan o, hindi na siya nagbabudge. Now, etong kanyang smudger, actually, medyo half and half ako dito sa smudger. Kasi nga, etong kanyang, this one, yung liner niya is medyo mabilis mag-set. So, once nag-set na siya, hindi mo na siya masasmudge using the smudger. Let's say you want that smoky effect. Hindi mo rin siya magagamit with this one. Kasi you have to really work fast. So, ganito siya. So, once you apply it, there, and then gusto mo siyang i-smoke out, kailangan mabilis. Because once it sets, ayan. So, parang, ganyan ang mangyayari sa kanya. And then, ayan na, hindi na siya nagagalaw. Kasi nag-set na siya. Ganyan. Ganyan yung magiging itsura niya pag medyo smoked out na siya. So, let's see one more time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. Halos hindi na siya magalaw. After like mga 5 seconds. Ganun siya kabilis mag-set. And once nag-set na siya, it's smudge-proof. Sabi niya dito, waterproof din daw siya. Try ko nga. So, let's see. I have here a mist. Ayan. So, basa na. Yes. It's also waterproof. Ayo. Wala na, nandyan na siya. So, I think tatagal tong eyeliner na to if gagamitan nyo siya for an event, for the whole day. I think meron siya talagang staying power because it's smudge-proof and waterproof. Now, how to remove? Meron ako ditong micellar water. Try natin siyang i-remove with a micellar water. Ayan. Natatanggal naman pala siya. Pag micellar water na yung ginagamit or makeup remover. Hindi naman siya ganun kahirap tanggalin with the makeup remover. You don't need oil. Talaga oil-based product. Pero it has a staying power pero hindi siya mahirap tanggalin using a makeup remover. Oh my gosh! Wait lang! Diba ito yung smudger? Pag tinanggal mo siya, meron siyang sharpener. Ayan, yung itsura niya parang wala siyang blade. Yung itsura niya yung parang mga sharpener ng crayons. So, let me give this a try. Okay, tingnan natin kung masya-sharpen nga niya. So, yun nga lang, syempre pag nag-sharpen ka, masasayang na yung ibang product kasi inaalis mo siya. Oh, wow. So, magiging ganito na siya, magiging pointy siya. Pag shinarpen. Okay, let me do one more turn. Yun nga lang nasasayang yung product, diba? Parang sa crayons. Pag nagsha-sharpen ka ng crayons, nasasayang yung color. Pero, okay, now that it's pointed, ayan. Na-sharpen ko na siya. Okay. Let me see if I can make a little wing dito. Okay. Tingnan natin. Okay. Medyo natatakot lang ako kasi parang mababali ko siya. Pero kaya naman pala na makagawa ng maliit na wing. Ayan. Kaya mong patulisin. Kaya mong makagawa ng tungkil dun sa dulo using this product. Yun nga lang, feeling ko medyo masasayang siya pag ginanon siya. Pero, magagawan mo siya ng paraan. At least, binigyan niya kayo ng option kung paano mo siya magagamit para malagyan mo ng tungkil yung dulo ng liner mo. So, ito yung walang wing. And then, ito yung may maliit na wing. Hindi ko akalain na magugustuhan ko tong product na to, but I think I actually do like it. One is because it makes it easy for me to put on the liner. I don't know, I think at the end of the day, it will boil down to your preference. Kung sanay ka na at gamay ka nang gamitin yung mga felt tip, then go ahead, go for the felt tip. Yung Careline Graph Ink Liner is a very good choice if ang mas preferred mo is yung felt tip applicator na eyeliner. Pero kung medyo nanginginig ka at nagsistruggle ka sa ganong klaseng formula ng eyeliner, I think this is a very good option. This is a very good alternative and magagawa mo pa rin yung magandang eyeliner with the tungkil. As you can see, diba? Nakatungkil siya sa dulo. And kayang-kaya siyang ma-achieve nitong EB Advanced Eye Define Eyeliner. It's waterproof, it's smudge-proof. So, definitely, it's long-lasting on the eyes. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-reapply. No problem with cracking whatsoever or the shine because it's matte. It's really matte. And it looks nice. You can't really tell na ibang klaseng eyeliner yung ginamit ko. Because once it sets and nag-dry na rin yung ganito, halos magkaparehas lang sila ng itsura. So I guess if you're looking for a different kind of eyeliner, this is something that you should definitely try. This is the EB Advanced Eye Define Eyeliner. Again, this is 165 pesos, available sa mga department stores, groceries, and of course, Watson stores. If you have tried this product before, please let me know down in the comment section kung nagustuhan nyo rin ba siya. Because for me, I kinda like it. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. You may also follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm Myra Paneda on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye! No.